Imagine falling into the ocean. Not swimming. Not diving. Falling. The light disappears within minutes. The pressure builds with every meter. And at 4,000 meters below the surface, you enter a world no sunlight has ever touched. This is not science fiction. This is Earth. And what lives down here should not exist. But it does. One of the most famous deep-sea creatures is the anglerfish. With needle-like teeth and a glowing lure hanging above its head, it looks like something from a horror film. But that glowing light? It is not magic. According to research from NOAA and the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute, the anglerfish uses bioluminescent bacteria to produce light. This light attracts prey in total darkness, a strategy perfected over millions of years. At depths between 1,000 and 4,000 meters, sunlight cannot penetrate. So evolution created its own light source. Now imagine a creature that looks like a massive armored pill bug. The giant isopod can grow up to 50 centimeters long. It lives on the ocean floor, feeding on dead whales and fish that sink from above. Scientists describe it as a living fossil, because its body plan has barely changed for over 160 million years. According to studies published in journals like Biological Bulletin, these creatures survive extreme pressure, over 400 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. That's like balancing a small car on your thumbnail. And yet, they thrive. Perhaps the most shocking discovery came in 1977. Scientists exploring the Galapagos Rift discovered hydrothermal vents, underwater geysers spewing superheated water rich in chemicals. Around these vents, entire ecosystems were thriving. Tube worms, blind shrimp, bacteria. But here's the impossible part, there is no sunlight. Instead of photosynthesis, these organisms rely on chemosynthesis, converting chemicals like hydrogen sulfide into energy. According to research published in Nature and documented by NASA, this discovery changed our understanding of life itself. It suggested life does not need sunlight. Which means life could exist elsewhere in the universe. In 2014, researchers documented a fish living at nearly 8,200 meters in the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean. This creature, known as the Mariana snailfish, holds the record for the deepest fish ever observed. At these depths, pressure exceeds 1,000 atmospheres. According to research from the University of Tokyo and the Jamstec Research Agency, these fish have special proteins that stabilize their cells against crushing pressure. They are not monsters. They are survivors. We often look to space for aliens. But perhaps the strangest creatures are not above us. They are below. The deep ocean remains less explored than the surface of the moon. According to NOAA, over 80% of our ocean is still unmapped and unexplored. Which means, the deepest creatures you will not believe exist. Maybe only the beginning.